because the old fellow that I got this from gave me all that information. Here's the directional switch, forward, backward, and all the contacts are right on the wheels. It would take its current from trolley pole.
Where was it from? Where was it built?
It was built in Ohio somewhere. It's interesting that the actual motors are the wheels themselves. I loaded it on this is my big trailer here. Pushed it and patched it. See, the first night before we were to run, it snagged on the wire because it was the first time they were taking it by. And it completely screwed it up. So I patched it up the night before, we straightened it out, and we ran it that way for about 2 years, and then we finally got a new part. So basically when the brakes are off, they come off all the way that way, and then they're on all the way that way. And when you start out, you see you let the, you gotta go forward though. Just put it in here. And then you go up through these points, which are the series points, which 600 volts go through one motor, the other motor, and then ground, or the parallel points, which go 600 volts to both of them. So when you get going, you can get it going faster on the parallel points. And when we want to change directions, basically, now we can go a little bit. When we want to change directions, when we come to the end of the line, then we just take this tool. And basically this changes direction here. This direction. And we just go up. That's about it. I mean, but then you just keep going. Back up a little bit. That's about where it is. And the way it was built was this center section. See how it never did have windows. Like you can see how this actually had the sides of the car. And then this just had mesh. Sort of mesh. Another set of Japanese trucks again. We have off the trolley. I don't know that we have. And a car from Toronto. And the Huntington Standard from the LA Railway, Los Angeles Railway, and California.